What's up to all of my investors? Welcome back. I got to get some information out to you guys again. I'm gonna try to run through this real quick. But this is a press release that was put out a couple of days ago by the United States Securities and Exchange Commissions. All right, and I'm gonna show you what this means, what this can possibly mean to you. Well, I'll tell you what I think it means to me, and if you can resonate with that, then so be it, right? But the United States the United States Securities and Exchange Commission issued an investigative report, and it's concluding that the Dow tokens, all right, or a decentralized autonomous organization, a digital assets were securities, all right. So the report concluding that the Dow tokens, if you're familiar with the Dow hack, all right, a digital asset, or that digital asset was a security. All right, so the United States security laws may apply now to all offers, sales, and trading interests in virtual organizations. So here it is, right out here, plain as day, in Washington, D.C., July 25th, 2017. The Securities and Exchange Commission issued an investigative report today cautioning market participants that offer sales of digital assets by virtual organizations are now subject to the requirements of the federal securities laws. All right, so that's it. You heard it. They are now trying to implement federal securities laws on these decentralized industry. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go on. Such offers and sales conducted by organizations using distributed ledger blockchain technology have been referred to, among other things, as initial coin offerings or token sales. All right, whether a particular investment transactions involve the offer of sale of a security, regardless of the terminology or technology used, will depend on the facts and circumstances, including the economic realities of the transactions. Okay, so basically, in layman's terms, all of these ICOs or token sales that you're hearing about, hearing to be, people are making money like crazy, people are losing money. All of these are now going to be bound or regulated by the United States Securities and Exchange Commissions. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you try to go about it. They're saying it clear as day, regardless of the terminology or the technology used. It's going to depend on a case-by-case basis. Okay, and I'm gonna go on. Okay, the SEC's report of investigation found that the tokens offered and sold by a virtual organization named the Dow were securities and therefore subject to the federal securities laws. Okay, the report confirmed that the issuers of the distributed ledger or blockchain technology based securities must register offers and sales of such securities unless valid exemption applies. All right, now those participating in these unregistered offerings may also be liable for violations of the securities laws. Check that out. So even if you're participating in these things, they're going to say that you're bound by these certain securities laws. All right. Now, additionally, securities exchanges providing for the trading of these securities must also register unless they are also exempt. All right. The purpose of the registration provisions of the federal securities laws is to ensure that investors are sold investments that include proper disclosures and are subject to regulatory scrutiny for investors' protections. All right, so basically they told you just like that. They try to give you some just reasoning for them, coming in and regulating this market. But they say it's only to make sure that you get the proper disclosures and only to make sure that they are subject to regulatory scrutiny for the investors' protection. So they're trying to offer you protection. All right, it sounds like they're trying to extort this market to me. But I'm gonna go on. All right, the SEC is studying the effects of the distributed ledger and other innovative technologies and encourages market participants to engage with us. All right, this is what the SEC chairman Jay Clayton said. So I mean, what that means to me is like they don't even really know what's going on in this industry. All right, with this blockchain technology or with these distributed ledgers. But hey, they're gonna say that we like the market. All right, we do encourage market participants to continue to engage with us. So help us out, help us figure out what's going on with this blockchain technology. So we, all right, or not we, them, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, whoever they is, so they can you know, make money off this. They want to get their foot in it. They want to, they want their hand. Anyway, we seek to foster innovative and beneficial ways to raise capital. Just like I said, right? They want to take you up under their wing, okay, while you teach them everything, all right, and they're gonna ensure that first and foremost the investors and the markets are protected. All right, what man? I mean, and who else can protect me better than me? All right, who has my best interest in my investments but me? I mean, I don't really know. That's my take on it. But hey, they got some decent points. They kind of, hey, we want to make sure that, but hey, I'm not interested in any help. I'm fully capable of doing this myself. I don't need the SEC securing anything for me, especially on a market that does all of the securities for itself. I mean, what happened in the Dow hack was something that happened. It was a flaw in the code that was written with that specific smart contract. So I mean, you can't really blame the entire market on that. You can't blame the people that are putting out these garbage ICOs. You can't put you can't make the entire market suffer the consequences. But anyway, it's a lot more stuff I want to touch on in this thing, but I'm gonna just leave it right here. Thanks for checking this out. I'm gonna be dropping you a lot more information. I gotta let you guys keep you guys up to speed on what's going on in the markets, all right, because you need to make sure that you are protecting your digital assets. Okay, so thanks for checking this video out. Take back control of your investments. Take back control of your anonymity, all right, your privacy, all right. Learn about how to secure your investments. Okay, so I'll do it all right here. I'll help you step by step. Thanks for checking this out. I will see you in the next video. Peace.